Well, YouTube, it's finished. That's all I can really say. We got it running on both cylinders now. This big giant Briggs and Stratton. So, let me fire it up and so that way you guys can hear it. Oops, got to turn the key. It fires right up. Alright, this time we're gonna start by disconnecting this spark plug. This was the dead cylinder here, so I'll show you that it runs on the fixed dead cylinder. I'll disconnect this cylinder here, just to show you that they were both evenly running on each cylinder. So it runs evenly on each cylinder. Then I'll take it for a quick ride. It's a nice tractor by far. Gotta admit that. I also fixed the throttle here. That was broken like I showed in the beginning. I think I may have showed you guys that this was also broken here. So it runs pretty good, especially since the gas is stale, but there's not much in it, and I want it to start right up and stuff. I don't want it to be out of gas when the customer comes to pick it up, so, you know. And it's low already, and I didn't have time to go run out and fill up the cans, so should be here on Monday. Maybe I'll put some gas in by then, but, you know, don't really need to put all this gas into something that's mine, you know. Like I said, it wasn't a bad payment, and got paid $50 to do it, so, well, I'm getting paid $50 to do it. So, for the work, it's well worth it, you know. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video series, and, you know, rate, comment, and subscribe.